Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting a 90-day skin challenge using the NIRA at home laser system, and I'm really excited to take you along from day one. And I have the NIRA here and I'm going to tell you more about it in a minute. My main skin concerns are fine lines around my eyes and neck, and overall skin texture and firmness, especially on my face and neck. I wanted something that was clinically proven, painless, and realistic to use every day at home, without downtime or recovery. That's why I decided to try NIRA, and I'll also be sharing check-ins along the way. So let's unbox everything together. I'm mega excited. This is how the box looks. Wow. 99% say NIRA is easy to use, 93% love their result, and 90% recommend the devices. It has some examples from day 0 to 90. Looks really good. Amazing. So here I have the NIRA Pro Plus and the Precision Lasers. Ultimate wrinkle reduction plus skin renewal. 50% more power, 35% faster than the original NIRA Pro. And it is FDA cleared, which is really important. Made in the USA, even better. You have instructions over here, more instructions, one for each handset. Has two charging cables and one charging block, which is good. Many things lately do not come with the charging block, so that's a plus. And here we have the two lasers. So you can see the tips are different. This is the NIRA Precision and this is the NIRA Pro. Lightweight, easy to handle, as you can see. Nice. I also have here the post-treatment skincare and the travel bag. This storage bag is so pretty, as you can see, super chic. Let me show you. Look how nice. Everything that comes inside. Has two compartments, as you can see. Put it over here. Great for traveling. You can put many things in here. Hairpins, accessories for NIRA, skincare, you name it. And everything fits well in here. You see? Just has a zipper in the middle to add more stuff. Very nice, I love it. And I have here the NIRA Youth Renewal Peptide Cream. And I have the NIRA Moisture Lock Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is to repair and nourish, and this is to hydrate and smooth. And these are post-laser skincare. And one thing about NIRA Laser, is that they help your skincare to be absorbed better by your skin. And I also have here these two sleeves. So you can save the laser as well. Look how cute. Perfect. Super nice. Before I show you how to use them, I want to quickly explain what kind of lasers these are and how they work, because this is really important when deciding if a device like this is worth it. NIRA uses a non-fractional diode laser, which is the same category of laser technology used by dermatologists, but engineered to be safe, painless, and easy to use at home. This is a non-ablative laser, meaning it works below the surface of the skin without damaging the top layer. There's no peeling, no redness, no downtime. Isn't that amazing? The laser delivers controlled heat into the deeper layers of the skin, which signals the skin to naturally rebuild collagen over time. This is not LED light therapy. In fact, NIRA is up to 200 times more powerful than LED devices, which is why it can reach the layers of the skin where the collagen is actually produced. Very promising. And what is the difference between the two devices? The NIRA Precision Laser, which is this one, has a small tip that allows you to target hard to treat areas: crow's feet, under eye wrinkles, lip lines, and hooded eyes. Wow, that's amazing. My main concern. The NIRA Pro Laser has a larger treatment tip, which makes it easy to treat larger areas like the full face, neck, chest, and hands. Both devices are FDA-cleared, clinically proven, and designed to be comfortable and painless with adjustable comfort levels so you can personalize your treatment. Sounds amazing. I'm going to remove my makeup and give you a demonstration on how to use the NIRA Precision Laser and how to use the NIRA Pro Laser, so you can have an idea, learn how they work, how to use them, and see them in action. I'll be back to give you the demonstration. Because NIRA is not ablative and non-fractional, it's designed to be used daily with no pain and no downtime. Results are clinically proven in 90 days, and NIRA also offers a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can try consistently and see how your skin responds. I'm going to show you how to use both lasers, how they work, and before starting using the lasers, you need to have your face clean and dry. My face is clean and dry right now. No makeup, no skincare products. This is important so the laser can make full contact with the skin and work as intended. I'm going to start with the NIRA Precision Laser, which is this one. It's called Precision because it's very small. This is the precision tip. And this is the power button over here. It is on and it has 5 power levels. You're going to choose your comfort level. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you start again. So this is level 1. I'm going to be testing the waters, see which level I can tolerate the highest. You can start low and then increase as you get used to the laser as well. So let's see. You need to put it flat because your skin is going to make 2 beeps. First when it's ready to start, second to move to the next point. This one is designed for areas like the crow's feet, under eyes, lip lines, and hooded eye areas. And it takes about 2 minutes a day. It is completely painless, which makes it easy to stay consistent. So let's get started. That is level 1. Okay, I can feel it. It's a nice warmth. Let me move to level 2 to see how it feels. Perfectly well. Level 3. Yes. Level 4. That was a little bit spicier, but not that bad. Yes, I can feel it. Level 4, you can feel it more like a little slight burning sensation. Level 5. That was harder. So I would say my level of comfort is very comfortable 3, and between comfortable and a little bit hotter, level 4. I'm going to go back to level 4. I think. Yes. And we are going to treat the hoods, the eyelids as well. I'm going to put in 3 just in case because the hoods are more sensitive. Put it against the skin and press the treatment button. You can also lift your eye like this. I completed that area and I'm going to repeat the same on the other eye. It was super easy. I feel well, comfortable. I do not feel burnt. I feel a slight warm sensation when I shoot, almost hot, but not hot at a level that is burning me. I was able to tolerate in a 4. So I'm going to repeat the same on the other side. Okay, I completed a session of 40 flashes. And I completed my 2 eyes. I'm so happy. This was so fast and easy. No pain. I feel super good. Just a very slight heat sensation, but it's nothing that bothers me at all. So let's go to the next one. Let's try the Pro Laser. This is for bigger areas. As you can see, it's way bigger. This device is designed for the full face, neck, chest, and backs of the hands. And the entire treatment takes just a few minutes a day, which was one of the biggest reasons I felt this was realistic long term. Let's get started with the Pro Laser. Power it on over here. I'm going to go straight to number 3 and then increase to 4 and 5 if I can tolerate. Okay, that's in number 3. This one shoots by itself. You don't have to press a button to activate it. So you will hear 2 beeps and lift. Number 3 under the eyes is kind of powerful. No, at least under the eyes, level 2. My comfort level, at least under the eyes, number 2. Let me try number 3. It's like a fan. It's blowing fan. I guess it's to refresh and not overheat. Let me increase that to 4. Yes, in the lower cheek, since the skin is thicker, 4 is okay. Let's continue over here. Completed 1 treatment, super quick. Let's go underneath. So I have it in level 4. I'm able to tolerate the level 5 on the neck. The full treatment, let's try it on the hands. Level 4. Don't feel anything. It's easier on the hands. Let me go to level 5. That's harder. And we are done. It was super easy, guys, as you saw. And I'm not that much of a red, but nothing major. You can control the temperature, the laser, according to your needs, according to your tolerance. Level 3 is kind of tolerable almost everywhere. After doing laser, you need a lot of hydration, drink a lot of water, and besides that, we need hyaluronic acid. And I have here the NIRA Moisture Lock Hyaluronic Acid Serum, Hydrate and Smooth. Okay, so we're going to add the hyaluronic acid, and I always say add a little bit of water afterwards so you can charge those hyaluronic acid molecules to keep your skin hydrated longer. It is a nice pump. And then I'm going to apply it on the back of my hands as well. Nice hyaluronic acid gel serum. I like to add a little bit of water to supercharge those hyaluronic acid molecules. You can just tap some water on your skin and that's enough. And afterwards, we're going to use the NIRA Youth Renewal Peptide Cream. Peptides help build collagen. Collagen gives firmness to your skin. So let's add some peptides. This is how it looks. Another pump. And I'm going to add this everywhere, because I want to wake up like new. Feels really good, very soothing. And that's it for today. I'll be back with you. These at-home treatments are effective. We need to have in mind that consistency is key. Doing it every day is really important, especially those first 90 days to achieve our goals. And I'll be back. I'll be sharing updates as I go, so make sure you're subscribed and following along. If you want to try NIRA for yourself, I do have a discount code for you, and it is Vivian10 for 10% off your purchase at NIRA. I have linked everything below so you can easily access them and start your own NIRA 90-day challenge. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next update.